Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. Inshallah, in this video we are gonna talk about the second type of secondary mad due to sukoon or due to stopping is Maad Leen. We will cover what is the meaning of Maad Leen and we will take some examples. If you wanna know, let's start. The lean letters waw and ya sakina preceded by fatha. It means if one of the lean letters is followed by a letter at the end of a word which is sakin due to sukoon or due to stopping, the reader should stretch a sound 2, 4 or 6 harakas. When I say li'ila Quraysh, okay, we have ya preceded by fatha and this ya followed by a letter which is sakin due to stopping is sheen. So why we call the due to stopping? When I say li'ila Qurayshin ilafihim, in this case I cannot give it 2, 4 or 6 harakas. So we called it mad due to stopping. When I stop, when I say لِإِلَافِ قُرَيْشٍ 2, لِإِلَافِ قُرَيْشٍ 4, لِإِلَافِ قُرَيْشٍ 6 harakas. And in cases of continuation, I'll pronounce it like natural mad. I'll say لِإِلَافِ قُرَيْشٍ إِلَافِهِمْ with 2 counts. When I say وَآمَنَهُمْ مِنْ خَوْفٍ min khawf, okay, we have waw mad is preceded by kha with fatha and followed by fa sakina due to stopping. So in this case we have Maad Leen. So we called it as mad due to stopping because I cannot give it 2, 4 or 6 harakas in cases of continuation. In cases of continuation I will pronounce it with 2 harakas only. So when I say وَآمَنَهُمْ مِنْ خَوْفٍ وَآمَنَهُمْ مِنْ خَوْفٍ وَآمَنَهُمْ مِنْ خَوْفٍ 6 harakas. Alhamdulillah, in this video we have covered what is the meaning of Maad Leen and we have practiced on some examples. I think that's all I can say. Inshallah, the next video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Salam.